What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about two different power banks from the same brand, CUKTECH. Look at this. I've been using a lot of different CUKTECH power banks for the past couple of years and I'm in love with these CUKTECH power banks. Okay, today we are gonna talk about this CUKTECH 15 and CUKTECH 15 SE. Both are packed with 20,000 mAh batteries inside and comes with a lot of safety features. Okay, as usual, I have left the link in the description box. And before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. CUKTECH 15 sports a titanium grey shell with a futuristic, compact design. Built from flame-resistant materials, it's sturdy yet portable, fitting into any backpack. The laser-engraved texture keeps it stable on any surface, while the LED screen displays battery life. This power bank has a sleek design and is built to keep up with any adventure. CUKTECH 15 brings power and versatility together. With a whopping 150-watt total output, it charges multiple devices at once with ease. Two USB-C ports and a USB-A port make charging options flexible. Well, do you need laptop power? Single port charging delivers 100 watt or up to 120 watt for Xiaomi devices. Dual port combos like C1 plus C2 or C1 plus A give 65 watt on C1 while the other handles 33 watt. And when all three ports are active, C1 holds steadily at 65 watt for laptops, while USB-C 2 and USB-A share 20 watt. This compact powerhouse takes multitasking to the next level, making it ideal for tech lovers who want reliable power on the go. CUKTECH 15 brings impressive speed to device charging. It powers up an iPhone 16 Pro Max to over 50% in under 30 minutes and charges the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with 45 watt charging speed. For laptops, it delivers 100 watt to the MacBook Pro 16-inch, making it perfect for fast productivity. Well, CUKTECH 15 itself recharges just as quickly, reaching 50% in 30 minutes. Thanks to its 90 watt input, it restores full power much faster than typical power banks. Think of it as a pit stop for your devices, charging them swiftly, so we are ready to go in no time. With a 20,000 mAh battery, CUKTECH 15 can charge a MacBook Pro M3 once or fully power an iPhone 16 Pro Max about 3 times. It's TSA approved for carry-on luggage, making it a great travel companion. And it doesn't stop at larger devices. CUKTECH 15 has a low current mode for smaller gadgets like earbuds and fitness trackers, activated with a quick double click. Well, if you are after something compact but still packing a 20,000 mAh punch, CUKTECH offers the 15 SE. It's a great alternative for those wanting high capacity in a smaller package without losing power. I'll skip the design and build details since CUKTECH 15 and 15 SE share the same sturdy construction and look. The main difference is size. The 15 SE is more compact. CUKTECH 15 SE delivers impressive charging power like its bigger brother, handling multiple devices at once with ease. USB-C 1 offers up to 65 watt, perfect for laptops, while Type-C 2 and USB-A ports provide 33 watt each, suitable for a phone and smaller accessories like earbuds. This setup enables fast charging across devices, taking an iPhone 16 Pro Max to 50% in 30 minutes at 27 watt and boosting Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with 45 watt charging. Yeah, it's similar to the CUKTECH 15. For dual port usage, C1 and USB-A provide a total of 65 watt and 20 watt, while C1 and C2 together deliver 65 watt and 20 watt. With all three ports active, C1 continues at 65 watt, C2 and USB-A share a combined 20 watt. This versatility ensures all devices are efficiently powered up, making it practical for daily needs. CUKTECH 15 AC also supports very fast 65 watt self-charging. Well, there are a lot of similarities between these two power banks, but what I care most is the safety features. CUKTECH 15 and 15 AC prioritize safety with VO-grade fire-resistant materials and multiple protections like short circuit, overcharge, discharge, and temperature safeguards. 4 sensors actively monitor heat, while overcurrent, overvoltage, and input overcurrent protections ensure stable performance. A reset function quickly resolves overloads, and anti-reverse protection keeps devices safe. Designed for all-day use, these power banks provide reliable multi-device charging without risk, bringing peace of mind to every charge. Now, let's talk about the differences between CUKTECH 15 and CUKTECH 15 AC. CUKTECH 15 offers a total output of 150 watt, making it ideal for users who need high power for multiple demanding devices like laptops and tablets. In comparison, the CUKTECH 15 AC is smaller with a max output of 85 watt, providing a more portable option for essential everyday charging. Both models share the same solid design and 20,000 mAh capacity, but each caters to different needs. CUKTECH 15 AC provides 67 watt charging speed for Xiaomi devices, while CUKTECH 15 can deliver 120 watt to Xiaomi devices. CUKTECH 15 is perfect for power users needing full speed charging across multiple devices, while the 15 AC is a compact choice for travelers and those looking for on-the-go charging options. Well, that's all about this CUKTECH 15 and CUKTECH 15 AC. I've been using both of these two power banks for the past couple of weeks and I'm super satisfied. Well, I've left the links of these power banks in the description box. Go ahead, check these products. But before that, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.